Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is one of my favorite trucks. This is the 2015 Ford F350. Stock number is 7084. This is the Power Stroke 6.7 liter V8, of course. Taking a look at the exterior condition on the passenger side, you're going to notice that it's absolutely flawless with the FX4 off-road package. Making our way around to the rear, you're going to notice it does have the tow package. Give you a shot of the spray and bed liner ready to tow. I'll tell you that. It's got the power rear slider. Absolutely impeccable. Warranty for life, oil changes for life. It's at Sunset Ford. Now, if you're looking to transport some of your friends and family, look at all the ample legroom and comfort and style, and making our way into the driver's seat. You're going to notice this vehicle is absolutely fully equipped. For more information on this truck or any other trucks in our inventory, you know they won't last long. Give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and get ready to save. We look forward to earning your business. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Now take care.